Is the TNT app or channel not working on Roku? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle your Roku device. If you are getting errors while watching the TNT app or channel on Roku, then power cycle the Roku streaming device. To do that, turn off the Roku device, unplug it from the main power source. Wait for a couple of minutes, then turn the device on and check. Method 2. Restart the router or modem. Unplug the router or modem from power. Wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in. Allow your modem or router to fully restart. Method 3. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check when an app or channel is not working on Roku is the stability of your internet connection. You can connect other devices to the same network and check if that works. You can also use a wired connection for more stability. Method 4. Check for software updates. Ensure your Roku device is up to date. Go to Settings, then select System. Choose Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Once updated, relaunch the app and check if the issue is resolved. Method 5. Clear app cache. Temporary data like cache and cookies can become corrupted and cause problems with streaming apps or channels. To clear the cache from the home screen, press the Home button on the remote 5 times. Press the up arrow button once, press the rewind button twice, press the fast forward button twice. Wait for the Roku system to restart. Method 6. Update the channel. If you encounter errors on a specific channel, update it. Press the Home button on your Roku remote. Press the right directional button to highlight the channel. Here we are showing the steps with this channel. The method is the same for the TNT app or channel or app. Next, press the star button on your remote. Select Check for updates. Wait for the app to update and then press OK. Method 7. Reinstall the problematic channel. If the issue persists, then try removing the channel and then adding it back. To do so, go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel. Here we are showing the steps with this channel. The method is the same for the TNT channel. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel, select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. Method 8. Contact TNT channel support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, then you can contact the TNT channel help page and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the ways to fix errors while watching the TNT channel. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.